It was just a few days, but it felt like forever.
When will they announce we won? Soon. I have written an acceptance speech.
Great thinking. Oh, here it is!
Welcome back. I know you're super excited to hear the winner of our song contest. So am I. Well, they're here in the studio, ready to play with Catgo and the 9 Lives.
But how could the winner be there when we're here?
Yes?
Learn the names.
Oh, look at this. We got a grade A suck up. Good to know. Good to know.
A.
Anyway.
A.
This is the brain of an average child. Right here is
I
the
got the
thinking
letter
about
A.
the fear of what's under the bedlow.
This is
the
the
only thing
A,
on
the pizza, chicken nuggets, noodles, french fries.
Right here is the, as soon as someone else has a toy, I
I'm going.
want a toy. I'm here
You
alone.
just that's it. A.
This is
B. B.
This funny little
B.
purple house are entirely
I got
capacity
you got
for
second.
For
B.
years, I've tried to shrink it or cut it
You
out
got the
entirely.
B.
But frustratingly,
C.
survival
C.
is dependent upon it.
I
C.
don't like this. I mean, I don't really understand it, but
D.
it seems genuinely
D.
Say, excuse me, Professor.
E. What the E is? Oh my God! The good.
Medicine is the best medicine. What?
F. F. G.
What does it stand for?
All right, do accept it.
So
H.
that means your name is Professor
H.
Privates?
I.
What's so funny? I don't
J.
get it.
Folks, this is true.
You too.
Why him?
Because
He did not listen to have done destroyed.
We gotta do something about that new science teacher.
K.
more of a villain than Krump.
K.
Whoa, wait a second.
L. L.
Okay, maybe we can fix this if you just. Can you hear me? No, that'll never work. I'm sitting right here.
Wait, he
M.
doesn't want anybody to
M.
know his name, right?
Right? Who's Professor?
N.
Exactly.
Where's
N.
the respect?
This is gonna run. O.
George! Yep, pretty sure he is. How'd that even happen?
No.
Greetings!
P. P.
What do I need again?
Teacher.
I need the vial
Q.
on the Dewey Pitts creature.
Q.
The Dewey Pitts creature. The dial on the loud.
R.
Thank you.
Ooh, the woman.
Psychics.
S.
The importance of this
It's
secret
S.
A new supervillain in town, and we're trying to discover his weakness.
Oh.
Okay. T. T. You're going to go to tie.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. His name is Poopy Pants. We found his weakness. Hallelujah.
He wants to rid the world of laughter.
Forever and ever, we will defeat him. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
You. You. V. V.
Oh, look at that. It came off again.
W. W.
Kiddo, first day for Professor P.
X. X.
What's going on with your
I'm glad for the E, but I'm not the trying. Why? Why?
Well, I've got
The letter names. Indication, not why. This is no.
Okay, well, have a nice day.
Z. Z. Oh, no, this is A to Z. There's the letter names.
Why is everyone laughing?
I see the
You're asking the wrong dude.